Hello, 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 friends. I'm here again. I'm Maydelene Sulite, and today I would like to share to you about what happened last November 14, Saturday, when I'm almost going to take a bath. Almost going to take a bath. I realized that I don't have a shampoo and I don't have a conditioner. I forgot to buy last Friday, November 13. I bought some important things, but one of the important shampoo I forgot. So last Saturday when I'm almost going, I realized, oh no, I don't have a shampoo. Even conditioner I don't have. So what I'm gonna do now? So I think, huh? I need to wash my hair. It's Saturday. Really important to wash the hair. And now I think, oh, I have Downy there. So I went out to the toilet and I took this and I tried because no choice, so I tried this. But I had worry on my mind that what's the effect, because this is not conditioner for hair. So when I put on my scalp and then I scrub, after a few seconds I rinse, I washed it. And then after I took a bath, when I combed my hair, I realized that it's really soft. Really soft. No tangles. Walang harang. Walang sagabal isuklay. But, I'm not recommending this to anyone, to everybody, because this is not a hair conditioner. This is just an emergency that I used last November 14, Saturday, because I forgot to buy a hair shampoo and hair conditioner. I'm not recommending this to anybody. But I experienced first time in my history to apply this in my scalp. A fabric conditioner became my hair conditioner. So, lesson that learned, next time, especially Friday, all the important things you want to buy, you need to take note, especially hair shampoo and hair conditioner. It's really important. Kaysa naman hindi mo i-wash ang buhok mo, diba? Di super kate-kate naman. So, yan. I experienced to use Downy as hair conditioner. Yan. Do not apply. Maybe you're gonna have an extremely falling hair. So, that's my experience last November 14, Saturday. First time in my history. Okay. So, thank you for watching. That's only I shared today. I cannot say Alzheimer forgot. So, thank you for watching, friends. See you again on my next video. Thank you for watching Maydelene's journey. Ayan, I will come again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe my channel.